welcome to my channel. Rebecca here, and I have another Halloween transformation that I will do my best at because this is just fun for me. And it's funny, one of you suggested this, and I think it was, I think it was on my Betty Boop tutorial. I'll have to look in the comments, but thank you. Because I completely forgot about Effie Trinket from the Hunger Games. And when the Hunger Games franchise was at its height and I was watching all the movies in the theaters, like, you know, when they came out, because I'd read all the books. And yeah, I was just, oh my God, I love her. And she is an amazing, like, I mean, the makeup, the coloring, the wardrobe, everything. So I'm taking my own artistic interpretation of Effie Trinket. I will show you as much as I can. I will list as much as I can. I'm not one of those like stylized videos where I know they have like time lapse and they just don't talk and they sit there and they have this neutral background and they're like just, and then like all of a sudden they are, you know, Edward Scissorhands. I'm like, oh. I am like, little here, little here, a little here, a little chit chat, right? So the iconic kind of Effie Trinket one you see on Pinterest is with the monarch butterflies. And I love this purple one. And plus I can, I'm gonna do my hair, you'll see. And I don't have quite the eyelashes, but I'm going to, like I said, take my own artistic liberties. But I love the palette of this, and that is where we are getting inspiration. So I'm gonna take some crystal primer from Pacific. I just figured, you know, this will be fun. So I'm gonna go over with, again, the Kokie 10. This is like the pale foundation, 10C. And I'm gonna kind of do a crumb layer. Anybody who bakes knows what I'm talking about. Yeah, this is just to really pale down my face. LA Girl, this is their concealer, which I have reviewed. This is their Pro HD concealer. It is awesome. This is white. This is like a, you can use it as a color mixer, as a, you know what I'm trying to say. Oh my gosh, what's my problem? Yeah. Color corrector. Jeez Louise. What is my deal? Loved this e.l.f. HD, the no, I'm sorry, this is the e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer. Is kind of perfect. This shade is light peach. It's too pale for me, so it's perfect for this. So right, Ace Beauté, this is their quintessential palette. This was the very first palette I ever got from them, of theirs, and it's perfect. So I'm going in Rose. I'm going in Rosewood, which is like a Cabernet type, more of a darker. Just kind of It's very coquette-ish, you know, it's that Marie Antoinette type, like, it basically goes all the way to her eyebrow. Don't be afraid. Okay, so then I've got the perfect shades. These are from JD Glow Cosmetics. These right here, oh my goodness, right? Yeah, I'm so excited. I'm gonna put all of them on. This is Plum from their Galaxy Shadow Collection. Basically, just making it out the corner. I will definitely, yeah. I'm gonna take, I am going to take this, I have this pink right here. I don't know if it's going to be vibrant enough. This is called Lit. And I'm going to put it on the lower lid. But I don't know. I might have to, we'll see if I need another pink. I think it works. Hang on. That's not the right brush though. Ooh. I need a more dense, short brush. There we go. Okay, so what I want is a purple shade, and this blush is kind of, this eyeshadow is perfect for what I want, and it's a Natasha Denona shade. It is Nina's Orchid. It is not necessary to use a Natasha Denona eyeshadow, but I just went through what I had, and it's just so perfect because I didn't want it, I wanted it a matte. I don't have a matte plum. I might have a shade like this in like my BH Cosmetics, but hey, let's do it. Oh, my poor, yeah, it's funny how she doesn't have contour like I said, but here's the thing. I am going to take a darker plum, can go back to the Ace Beauty in the Rosewood, and I'm going to kind of contour just under this shade, but only to here. She sort of has some pronounced, just a bit of a cheekbone right here. Yep. Putting on really large fake lashes. And actually, Effie has the end of her lashes have kind of little butterflies or little almost paper designs. So you can do whatever you want for these lashes. I spray painted mine silver with some hair in temporary hair color. And I just got a really random big set of lashes that I never use. And I was probably sent them. And yeah, and so then I'm like, oh, so I have temporary hair tint. So I just sprayed them. I did not do this on purpose, where both this look and my Betty Boop, I get to cancel out my lips, but kind of my favorite thing ever. This Blood Milk from Kat Von D. Oh yeah. This is e.l.f. Liquid Lip in Wine Tour. It is burgundy. I'm gonna do a few things. It's actually, her lip has a center that's dark. Kinda. Yeah, I hear you, Crow. What's up? Or you can do gold. She has like a gold center. This is Maybelline Gold Boost. It's just kind of different. And then I think it looks like a pansy flower. It's kind of cool. Woo! Okay guys, so what's next is the hair. The hair, the flowers, the adornment. What I'm gonna do, I don't have a wig, I'm gonna do my own hair. And I'm not gonna be able to show it to you because it's just gonna be too much, but I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do. I've got a very small curling iron, very small rod. I'm gonna give myself lots of curls and I'm gonna tease it and I'm gonna add temporary hair color and I will be right back. Right? I will be right back. Folks, oh God, I have the shakes. I have the coffee shakes. I need to like eat something. Okay, so this is a blazer. You can do whatever you want costume-wise in my book. I've got silk flowers. I've had these silk flowers forever. I think there was a big 2004 trend of some kind. So here, I think I still need to zoom you out a bit. Okay. So, like I said, I have curled my hair, a very small curling iron. I took Colorista L'Oreal spray. I had both rose gold and silver, and I just sprayed my hair a ton. I ran out of silver. I used some rose gold, but now I tucked it up. So popped the collar, I added more. So you can wear it like with a pencil skirt or something. You can really, and pick a palette. I don't know, this is just so much fun, you know? I love it. Are you waiting for me to say it? May the odds be forever in your favor. Okay. So yeah, there you go. Now I'm just gonna shower and wash it all away. That's so sad. I know, because I gotta run errands and do stuff. It's my dad's birthday tomorrow, so I need to get my dad a birthday present. I go to Whole Foods. So tons of fun. I will list whatever products I can remember I used below, and that's that. Thank you so much for your support. Please add this to your Pinterest board. Share it on Instagram. I don't know, you know, I love doing these and I know you guys love watching them, but they really get low views, but that's okay. I'm still doing them. Yeah, so just, you know, share far and wide if you can. That would be awesome. Like and subscribe and all that good stuff. And I will see you in the arena. Just kidding. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.